हेलो एंड गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। फर्स्टली गाइस मेरी आवाज़ एकदम ख़राब है एंड सेकेंडली गाइस टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू अबांस स्कूल विच इज़ मॉमी एंड मी पार्टिसिपेशन और मॉमी एंड मी क्लासेस। तो हम दोनों ही स्कूल जाते हैं एक्चुअली। तो अभी हम लोग स्कूल जा रहे हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू स्कूल। सो here you can see he started class with morning song, good morning song.
Oh, you do. Oh, I did for those days for my mom. The best. All right, you guys ready to sing good morning? Good morning. All right, need everyone's help. I know it's Monday, but we can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. How are you? How are you? Very well, I thank you. Very well, I thank you. How about you? How about you? Good job. All right, here we go. We're gonna do it in Spanish. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Buenos dias. Was the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it raining out today? So what's our weather like today? Sunny. It's sunny outside. And I noticed something about the trees. They're moving, which means what else is going on?
After morning good morning songs, kids used to play, and this table you can see it's all about activities area, activities table. If your kid is interested in activities, art, so they can play there. Or you can see here, this is the second room, and this room also has some kind of toys. And you wanna go inside? You wanna go inside? Where's the door? There's the door. Come on. Yes, you're right. Here's the door. Actually, he loves his school time and he play here. And even I love to go there
What are you
because I
playing,
enjoy
baby?
here a lot. I have some
What are you playing
friends.
with?
Aaban have some friends. So
Hmm?
we enjoy here a lot.
Who?
And I just want to share with you guys how mommy and me classes goes off. So yeah, you can see it's totally play thing. Your child will play completely here. He will learn things. Now this is his favorite thing. Once he started his school, when he was really cried at the early times, he used to play with this toy. This, you can see, this cooking department, because he used to see me since he born. So he loved this thing, he loved doing this thing because I does the same thing. So you can see how properly he is doing, washing and then cooking. Now the favorite time is kids are going outside for playing outside, for taking some fresh air, for playing outside. Actually, this is also the favorite time. And in between these, there is one cleanup time. After
But it's
playing
not for
inside,
you. You
all
are
the
too
kids
young for
and
this.
parents should have to clean up all the room, and then we can go outside and play outside here. So because I was doing cleanup, I didn't shoot film. And then we are playing here for about 20 minutes or so. And then after that we used to have snacks. And because yes, I was really busy to feed him, so that is why I didn't take, or I didn't also film snacks time. And before even snacks time, we have to go and wash hands. Like after this play time, we have to go wash hands, then snacks. And after snacks, you can see this thing, this is happening, goodbye story time. So here's teacher, he used to this story, she tells a story, and then after story she used to give stickers to each and every kid. They all kids are really excited about speakers. So his story time is going on. After snacks, which I didn't shoot, the cleanup routine I didn't shoot, the washing hands I didn't shoot, because this time is too busy, and I have to convince him to do wash hand, to snacks, or to clean up. So that is why it's not easy to shoot along with tackle him. Now we are going outside. School is done and we are here
Wait,
outside,
wait, too. We have
and
to
we are
wait
waiting
for
for his
Papa.
father because I don't have my car license, so we are waiting for
Aban,
him.
wait.
And after that we will go to the house and then the rest thing. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, then please watch my another video. Thank